In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an invoice in Stripe. Start by making sure you are already logged into your Stripe dashboard. Once you are on the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click Billing. This will open the billing tools for your account. Next, select Invoices. This will take you to the Invoice Management page, where you can view existing invoices and create a new one. To begin creating a new invoice, click the button labeled Create Invoice. Stripe will now ask you to choose a customer for the invoice. You can select an existing customer if they are already saved in your account. If the customer is new, click Create Customer and enter their details to add them before continuing. After selecting the customer, move to the Items section. Click Find or Add an item. From here, you can choose a product that already exists in your Stripe account. If you need to charge for something that is not already listed, select Add a new line item instead. Make sure the quantity is correct and confirm the price for the product or service you are invoicing. Once everything looks right, click Save to add the item to the invoice. With the line items in place, review the payment collection settings. This is where you can confirm how the customer will pay and adjust any invoice preferences that apply to this transaction. If needed, you can also configure additional invoice options before moving forward. On the right side of the page, Stripe will show you an invoice preview. Take a moment to review this section so you can confirm that the customer information, item details, totals, and formatting all appear correctly. When you are satisfied with the invoice, click Review Invoice. This will bring you to the final review stage before the invoice is issued. Check the invoice one more time to make sure all the details are accurate. To complete the process, click Finalize and Send to email if you want Stripe to immediately send the invoice to the customer. If you prefer to send it later, choose Finalize Only instead. Finalizing the invoice locks in the details and prepares it for delivery or payment collection. Once that is done, your invoice has been successfully created in Stripe. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.